go over how to create an assignment that has a Google Doc as a copy for a student. And I've made a video about this before, but I discovered something today that I think would be helpful. So I'm just going to go through that again. So I'm going to click add an assignment here. I'm going to give it a name. And I'm going to call it Google Cloud Assignment because this is the type of submission I'm going to create. These are going to be maybe my instructions, my teacher provided resources. Right? This might even be a video on YouTube on solving an equation. Okay, I don't know. I'm just going to embed something just to show that I could have things here, right? And then what I could do is come down, give it my points, put it in my assignment group, say whether or not I want to count it toward grade, all that kind of thing. So basically now what I want the students to do is fill something out where they have to maybe reflect on the video, or they have to like somehow make it theirs. They have to process information and do something, right? This may be where they're writing a reflection. It may be where they're answering some questions on something that they've read. I don't know. But basically I want each student to have a copy of a Google template I've created, right? So what I would do is come down to submission type, and I would go to external tool, and then I want to click on find, and I want to look for Google Drive Cloud Assignment. Google Assignments LTI is a different thing, and it's been causing, I don't know, some students are having issues opening it up and it doesn't seem to be working. I feel like a lot of teachers are having problems with that one. But if you just want every student to have a copy of the Google Doc to type in, you're going to choose Google Drive Cloud Assignment. And then you're going to look in your drive for such a thing. So I'm just going to find something I created a long time ago to use here. Okay, here we go. Here's my sample template, right? So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit submit. And then select the attempts, who it's assigned to, all that stuff. Save and publish. Okay, so now I've created this assignment. I've got teacher provided resources, I've got a video for them to watch, and here's this Google Doc. Well, one of the things that a lot of students don't like is that they can't scroll down and see, and there's very little space to like work in right here, right? So they don't really like that. So one thing you can do if you're go back and edit your settings is down here where you added that external tool. If you just check this box that says load this tool in a new tab, then that will look differently for the student. Okay, so I'm going to go to my student here who's in my course. I'm going to go to assignments, and I'm going to click on that Google Cloud assignment, and when it opens up now it says load Google Cloud in a new window. When they click that, then that Google Doc is going to open in a new window. And what's nice about doing it this way is there will be a submit button on this screen that they'll see. So not only is it all open in another window where they have plenty of space to like work in this Google Doc, but then when they're done, the submit button is right there. So I think in general, students are just going to like that better than it not opening in a new tab. So again, what I did was I went into the assignment settings. I went down, chose submission type external tool. I found the document that I wanted them to have. Then I made sure to check the box that says load in a new tab.